Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new account to your PlayStation 5 Pro and then sign in. So if you're already logged in, go to your profile and then go to switch user or log out. Then you're going to be brought to the home screen where you have to press the PlayStation button here and choose your account. Let's go all the way to the left, go to add user. Now, if you already have a user, go to where it says get started. Otherwise, you can create a user right here. Now, the right side is for a one-time guest. So if you're just going to sign in and not save any of your information, or you just want to add a guest to your PlayStation 5 Pro, go to Quick Play or sign in. Now, to add a new account, go to Get Started, go to the agreement, and go to Confirm. And here, you can sign in manually. So if you got a PlayStation username and ID, sign in with your email address right here, or sign in with a QR code if you have the PlayStation app on your phone. Otherwise, you can create an account right here. Just go through this step right here, and you should be able to sign in. And you can confirm your email address and password later on and create a new PlayStation Plus gamer tag. So it's very easy to sign in, then choose your account, log in, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.